Welcome to the ultimate showdown of precision, speed, and style. Whether you're a pro esports champ or a casual gamer, finding the best gaming mouse 2025 is your key to dominating the competition. From cutting-edge sensors to customizable buttons and jaw-dropping designs, we're diving deep into the top contenders that will redefine your gaming experience. Ready to click, flick, and win like never before? Let's gear up and find your perfect match. Number 1. Logitech G Pro. The Logitech G Pro Wireless is about as premium as gaming mice get, with one of the most comfortable designs available. It's ambidextrous with a pleasantly soft, matte plastic shell that'll please both left and right hands for hours. The coating helps your grip, with its light 1mm shell making it feel easy to control without making it feel cheap. The lightweight combined with the PTFE feet help it move around with easy control. Logitech's Hero 16K sensor goes up to 16,000 dpi or 25,600 via software, 450 IPS and 40G. Logitech also claims it eats less battery than sensors like the PixArt PMW3366. Number 2. Redragon M686. You might not have heard of Redragon before, but we're getting more and more acquainted with the Chinese company, which is also on our best wireless keyboards page. The affordable, well-built M686 Vampire Elite is currently just $36 and carries many hallmarks of a premium wireless gaming mouse. This includes 8 programmable buttons and fast USB-C charging. If you're a gamer whose budget tops out at $50, this may be the best wireless mouse for you. In a rare move, Redragon included grooves for righties to rest their ring and pinky fingers on this mouse. Many mice neglect those digits, leaving them dragging on the mouse pad. The M686's shape comfortably serves larger hands and accommodates wide grips. The M686 has soft, rubber side grips, and the rest of the chassis has a smooth, almost gel-like feel. It's nice, but can lack resistance, especially by the left and right click buttons. The scroll wheel is tactile, but still glides pretty smoothly and shows slight wobble, making precise scrolls hard. And you won't get the same springy feel from the left and right click buttons that pricier wireless gaming mice offer. The M686 PixArt PMW335 sensor goes up to 16,000 dpi, 450 IPS, and 40 Grang. Those specs match more expensive mice, and mainstream users won't notice any tracking issues, whether using the lowest 100 dpi or the highest setting. Number 3. Logitech G502X Plus. The Logitech G502X Plus is the successor to the Logitech G502 Lightspeed, and while it retains the overall shape of its predecessor, it sports a moderate redesign that's less aggressive, less angular, and features a very pretty 8-zone RGB light strip that will look fantastic on your desk. The G502X Plus also has some internal upgrades, including Logitech's latest Hero 25K sensor, which has a maximum DPI of 25,600, a maximum speed of 400 IPS, and can handle up to 40 Gs of acceleration. It also features the brand's new Light Force switches, which are hybrid optical-mechanical switches designed to have the speed and durability of optical switches and the tactility and feel of mechanical switches. Number 4. Razer Basilisk V3. The Razer Basilisk V3 is the best gaming mouse to hit our lab. It's 13 if you include all the scroll wheel inputs, programmable buttons, well-crafted shape, and premium textured finish make it versatile across gaming genres and even productivity workloads. While it is on the heavier side compared to ultra-lightweight mice for FPS games, it glides well and has a dedicated sniper button that's easy to reach and drops DPI instantly for headshots. Customization options abound, from the 11 individual RGB zones to the aforementioned buttons. Each button can also have a secondary function via Razer's Hypershift. Number 5. Razer Cobra Pro. Thanks to the popularity of esports and online competition, it's not hard to find small, lightweight gaming mice these days. But it's a little harder to find small, lightweight gaming mice that aren't also stripped down because they're designed for, well, competitive esports. The Razer Cobra Pro is a small, lightweight, compact gaming mouse that isn't designed specifically for FPS gamers. It's got a semi-ambidextrous design, grippy sides, and bright 11-zone RGB lighting for immersive gaming. The Cobra Pro features Razer's most recent Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, which has a maximum sensitivity of 30,000 dpi, a maximum speed of 750 IPS, and can handle up to 70 Gs of acceleration.